So today we're talking about flush mount beams, which is a little bit different than doing a drop beam. There are a couple things to consider if you're going to go to a flush mount beam from a drop beam or from a support wall. In this situation, we have an application where we have two existing posts and we're putting in a beam that's going to be set up right into the joist cavity. One of the things that we had to take into consideration when we did this was the amount of electrical that was running through here, the plumbing, and the HVAC. So you'll notice over here, our furnace has been shifted over and our intake and exhaust have been moved over around. Originally, they ran right through this cavity where this beam was going to be placed. And in doing so, it would have affected greatly how this dynamic of this beam could be installed. We probably would have had to put in some new footings. So by moving some things over and readjusting the electrical and HVAC, we were able to install this beam flush, but it's always something to take into consideration when installing a beam flush.